If you're like me, then I'm sure you would love to know how to make more money online without working more hours. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how some of the most successful online service business owners have done it, and I will give you some tips on how you can do it too. So the first secret successful online service-based business owners do is they outsource work that they don't have time for. And no matter how many productivity hacks and time management tips you take in, you still only have 24 hours in a day. And to function at your highest level, you need to sleep for about 8 hours of those. Now, have you seen those online memes that say things like, you have the same 24 hours in a day as Beyonce or Elon Musk? Now, that idea can make you think you just need to hustle harder to get more done. But the answer is no, there actually comes a point where more work is not the solution, unless you want to burn out. But there is something you can learn from the idea. Beyonce can do and be so much not because she's somehow become a master at managing her time. It's because she outsources most of the work that goes into making her Beyonce. And smart and successful entrepreneurs and business owners, they know that there's only so much they can personally do. They are not experts in every aspect of running a business, and that's okay. And they can delegate the tasks they don't like or aren't good at to someone else. And if you've tried everything you can to balance your time between your business and your day job and still don't have enough hours in the day to get everything done, then ask for help. And that doesn't mean taking on the burden of your employees. You can actually outsource countless tasks to freelancers or contractors. And a good start to this would be making a list of the tasks you hate doing. Then outsource everything you can on this list. Now, what you will come to realize is that you will be happier and you're going to be more energized to focus on what you love. Then make a list of tasks that are time intensive but not necessarily skill intensive. And these things need to be done but don't require special skills or knowledge. Now, anyone with the right training could complete these tasks easily. And if you're not sure what you could possibly outsource, here are some of the most common tasks that a talented freelancer or third-party provider can do for you. Things like website development, tech troubleshooting, graphic design, blog post writing, social media management, or even bookkeeping. Now, moving on to the second secret successful online business owners do is advertising. And what I mean by that is that when advertising is done right, it allows you to win back time from daily tedious tasks such as cold outreach or daily content posting. And those tasks are things you need to do every day, because if you don't, then how else will you find clients and grow your business? So when you build a fluid, predictable lead machine, your business can run without you, and you can actually take that long overdue vacation and see the world outside of your office. And that's what's really unique about running ads on on platforms such as Facebook, because once you have found your winning ads, it doesn't need the constant micromanaging that many other volatile platforms do nowadays. Now, that doesn't mean you can set it and forget it, but with Facebook ads, a little can go a long way. And that can help you take back control of your results while saving hours of your workday. And the third and last secret successful online business owners do is they invest in tools that helps them automate tasks while growing their business. Now, when it comes to your business, you want to build it lean and efficient so that it is optimized for maximum output. And the way to do that is by automating tasks. So, for example, there are many tools out there that help with marketing your business, client retention, customer service, or even accounting. And most of these tools are individual tools that you have to use separately. However, one of the tools that is my personal favorite and has literally saved me at least 2-3 hours of my time every single day is Go High Level. And Go High Level is a CRM tool that has helped me streamline my entire business processes from lead acquisition all the way to sales and to fulfillment. So things like automating engaging follow-up campaigns or automatically booking leads and prospects to my calendar without lifting my fingers. These are the things that would take me hours every day, and I now no longer have to do them because I invested in the right tools. Alright guys, these were the 3 main secrets most successful online business owners do to make more money while working less. And hopefully this is something you are already doing with your business too. And as always guys, if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my videos in the future. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.